What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I'm here waiting for my daughter to get out of a dentist appointment. I had to drop Hayden off, and now I'm waiting for Harper to get out of a dentist appointment. And while I'm waiting, I was looking at the markets and seeing if there's anything that I can talk about, anything that is noteworthy, anything that's changed within the crypto market, something like that, right? And as I was looking through it, I was looking through my watch list and saw, a lot of the plays are moving. A lot of crypto is moving in, 5, 6, 7% gains, which is fantastic to see. But most people that really want, hey, crypto is moving, want to see it 20%, 50%, 100%, right? And obviously that's something we are not seeing right now. So what really came into my mind was the fact that sleeper plays are a big deal, especially in these markets. So when I talk about sleeper plays, I talk about the ones that I'll get comments and people will say, hey, XRP is going to be worth 0, and I'm like, that's definitely a sleeper to you, right? But for the majority of people that are investing in the cryptocurrency, they see XRP as a top position, because it is. But the same thing goes with Jasmine Coin. It's not necessarily a top position, but it still has a lot of popularity, right? But then I feel like ones that have been slept on are ones that maybe are in that top play, or that maybe the top 20, top 25, and don't get talked about as much. And I want to talk about that in this video. If you guys could, you make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, that link will be down there in the description, at the top of the description, where you guys can, get a deposit bonus, 10% deposit bonus. You can get extra bonuses up to $10,055, 40% lower trading fees. They also have a giveaway going on until the end of the month, which right now it is the 25th. So you have a few days in order to get that in. All you have to do is sign up, deposit, and trade on BTCC, and you will be entered to win 375 USDT. That's a lot of money that you could trade with at a 2x leverage, all the way up to a 500x leverage if you want to. So feel free to check that out. Link is at the top of the description. Now, the reason why I wanted to talk about this is because I think the definition of sleeper plays, it's been kind of weird, right? Because most sleeper plays are ones that are way outside the top 100, way outside the top 200. And you look at those as people aren't really talking about them. But you can also classify a sleeper play as something that is supposed to be a top play, but doesn't get talked about or is in the conversation as a top play, as frequently as it should be. And I think there are definitely two that have crossed my desk that I currently have, that I would love to have more of, that right now it's at a lower price than what I expected it to be. The first one that I think I have for this sleeper play, for this conversation, is AVAX. AVAX is a big sleeper play in my opinion. And the reason why it's a big sleeper play is because AVAX is heavily usable on Avalanche, right, on the Avalanche chain. So it has that use case, sort of like a BNB or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency that does, use that currency as gas, right? And basically meaning that in order to trade on Avalanche, you need to have Avalanche, right? You need to have AVAX. And I feel like that gets undervalued to a lot of people, where they say, oh, well, you know what? It's not going to be as usable because it's not BNB. You're right, it's not BNB, but it still does have use. It still does have the ability to build on it, and the actions that can happen on chain, which is a big deal, right? A huge deal, in my opinion, and in many others' opinion. AVAX is currently sitting under $10. My cost basis for AVAX is $20, and I still think that is a phenomenal price. I wish I had more money to continue to buy more, but I was buying and buying and buying and continue to buying. I think I have like 500 or 600 AVAX in my possession, which right now I could have had, 1,000, 2,000 AVAX in my possession, which would be fantastic. I have AVAX as a long-term play, as a forever crypto, as a short-term profit maker. A lot of things on my list for AVAX as a positive thing, right? So I look at this as a big sleeper play, because being below $10 and seeing that you have the ability to get to a $100 price point, a $200 price point, and maybe even further than that, can open up huge doors for anybody that wants a 100% gain, 200% gain. In my opinion, AVAX is one of those ones that's a guaranteed 200% gain easily, right? It was more recently at $30 to $40. So seeing it at less than $10, you're looking at 20, 30, 40. You're seeing that growth hundreds of percent. Phenomenal play, in my opinion. So if you're looking to leverage trade it, you can leverage trade it at a 2x leverage. It's at a very low level right now. You can leverage trade it at a 3x leverage. Find the long term, see it grow up to 40, up to 50, up to $100, and go from there. Another sleeper play, in my opinion, that I know people talk about, but I feel like doesn't really get the amount of volume and popularity there, it would be AVAX. AVAX is sitting at like 20 something cents. Way closer to the low than it is to the high, which is fantastic to see, because AVAX has a lot going for it, where the growth potential just up to a 50-cent price point, a dollar price point, you're talking about a 4x. You're talking about it growing to a dollar from 25 cents, right? That's phenomenal growth, in my opinion. I think with everything that AVAX has going for it, partnerships, popularity, on-chain activity, all of that stuff. This is why I have a decent amount of AVAX, or sorry, ADA. I said AVAX. Hopefully I was saying ADA the entire time. But Cardano, that's what I'm talking about. Cardano is the one that's sitting about 25 cents. Hopefully I said that from the beginning. ADA, Cardano. But I think I have like thousands of Cardano in my possession, because I do believe in what that growth is going to be. I do believe in the price movement for this position. I see all of the things that are happening. I also see the conversations that are happening, which can be positive. I just feel like people are sleeping on it, and we haven't had as much activity as we should within that play. And there are many others that are in the market that are just like that, especially since we haven't seen altcoin season. There are many others that are just like that. And I want to know what's on your list, because while I have AVAX and while I have ADA, you may have something else. You might have a meme coin, right, in your opinion, that is a sleeper play. You might have Chainlink, which I feel like is another play that's hasn't seen as much growth. Still hasn't seen as much of a fall as the other two that I mentioned. But there's a lot of room for growth in some of these plays, and I think that you need to stop sleeping on them. So guys, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. If you could, check out my link for BTCC down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.